Hey guys, it's your girl Jay Slay and I'm back with another video. Today I am doing a fur mirror with lights. I am doing another DIY. So here I am in Joann's. I'm looking at their fur fabric options, looking for something with a little fringe on it rather than fluff, if that makes sense. I actually ended up purchasing my fur from Hobby Lobby. But my intention was to purchase it here at Joann's, but child, things happen. I definitely didn't end up getting that. So here is my bag from Hobby Lobby, and look at my fur, girl. Look at my fur. Yes, it's faux fur, okay? It's not real, let's be clear. Okay. My mirror is here below, doing a little dance for you, a little 1-2. And I did buy some little things from Joann that I'm going to use with this project. So I have a fabric. It's called Fabric Fusion. Not fabric, but Fabric Fusion. Okay, honey. That is the glue I'm going to use to make sure that the fabric sticks to the back of the mirror. I purchased some things from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use some reusable, not reusable, but one-time use brushes. And these are my motion sensor lights. Now I'm getting a drill because this mirror is old. It fell off my armoire years ago, and I kept it and I just used it as a wall mirror. And I'm going to take out those little pieces that I'm pointing at to make sure that the fur can just go right on with no problem, no bumps, no lumps. I'm going to go ahead and wipe my mirror down, clean it up. And then I'm just going to take out these screws. All right, now I am laying out my fabric, and I'm just gonna take that mirror and align it to where it's on the side where I can just fold over the fur fabric. So I'm gonna start on the left hand side, and I angled my camera to where it showed the whole thing, but apparently it's not, so I'm so sorry. I just showed you there glue stick and a glue gun I'm going to use later on. I am taking my Fabric Fusion and I am putting it on the back of the mirror. So I'm just taking it and squirting it on the mirror, and then I'm going to take that reusable, why do I keep saying reusable? The one-time use paint sponge, and I'm just going to rub that across. So I'm just gonna take it all on the outskirts. And y'all, this stuff, it really works. Like when they say fusion, they mean fusion, okay? Now, you just continue to take that and spread it across the mirror. You wanna evenly spread it. Make sure every part of the surface is covered, and you get the glue on every piece of space that you can on the back of that mirror. All right, so this is where I get on the struggle bus, y'all. I could not find my box cutter before I started this video. It's my handy dandy box cutter. I done had it for years now, and I could not find it. So I had to use some shears, child, and these shears weren't shearing nothing. So I'm a struggle for a little bit, and then I finally thought about it, and I was like, I know exactly where my box cutter is. I found it. So I'm going to continue cutting through the fabric. I cut out that long space where I was gone from the camera because I was determined to get my box cutter because I was sick of struggling, y'all. So I cut straight down. So what I'm doing there is I cut where I would like the fur fabric to lay. I want it to overlap on the mirror just a little bit, and you'll see that here. And I'm just cutting that piece, that corner piece, at an angle so I can fold it over and it not be super lumpy. Now, you guys, that the scissors cause the fur to shed a whole lot, so that's why you see the fur sitting in the middle of the mirror there. And I know y'all are like, why is she kneeling on that mirror? Listen, listen, mind your business. Mind your business.
I was just asking a question. You didn't have to be rude.
All right, so I'm about to cut an opening in the fabric to insert my light. The light that I purchased was a motion sensor light. I thought I was purchasing the LED light that you could press the power button on, but I didn't. I actually bought one of the correct type, and then the other three were motion sensors. But it's all good. Same company, same brand, so it turned out fine actually. But if you're gonna do this, I would suggest using the power button one, just so you can turn it on and off when you want. The motion sensor, I wouldn't get it, but it still works. I thought I was getting the one that you could press. I messed up, guys, but hey, it turned out cute in the end. Those motion sensor lights, or the ones that you have the push option on, which one of them does, it comes with a sticky plate on the back where you can stick it to the surface of whatever you're trying to stick it on. But the light can pull off of that because it's a magnetic strip. So you can take the light itself off of the sticky tab without removing the sticky tab from the surface. So that is really one of the reasons why I went with this option, because if I need to change the batteries, because this is battery operated, I didn't want to have to plug up my mirror just to get it to, to light up. So, and save on at that electricity bill, sis. So yeah, AAA batteries. That's what you see me putting in the light here. So I'm going to continue that same process here on the opposite side. I'm going to cut another slit in between the fabric, and I'm just going to eye it and then cut it open. Now, once I cut it open and I place the light in the space that I wanted, I cover the light with the slit, and then I take some of that fabric fusion and put it around the surrounding area on that mirror on the side of the light. And I just press down and the fabric will stick to the mirror. Now what you're gonna see here is me filling in the gap with some of the free fur that fell off of the mirror from me cutting, because the slit that I made it to put the light in, it has a little gap, and I just wanted to clear that up and fill it in so you won't see any wood in between the fabric. So I'm gonna continue this same process of putting in the light, making a slit in the fabric, gluing the fabric down once the light is inserted in the place that I would like it to be. And I'm just gonna do that on the last two sides of the mirror that I have left. I'm just going back in to fix up any trouble areas before I put my finishing touches on it. All the lights are in, all the sides have been glued down, so now I just need to finalize some steps. Now I did end up losing some footage, unfortunately, and of course I can't refilm something I already did, so I'll let you guys know on those particular parts what I did and how I did it to accomplish the look. So now I'm going in with my hot glue gun. I did take it out of the socket, so yes, it is unplugged, but it had been sitting there for at least 10 minutes, so it was definitely hot, so I was trying to hurry up and go around the perimeter. I did miss one spot while I was actually filming, and I went back afterward and glued it down. But this is the final look, guys. What you think? What you think? I'm popping it off. No? You gotta do me like that now. Hello to all my new subbies. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, I'm your girl, J Slay, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye.